Julius Caesar's nephew Octavian, who gained control of Rome in 27 BCE and became the first Roman emperor. Augustus Caesar. A court established by the Roman Catholic Church tasked with eradicating heresies, including witchcraft and alchemy. The Inquisition. The 1494 treaty that allowed the Portuguese to claim the coast of Brazil. Treaty of Tordesillas. Bacterial infection with global effects that killed a third of Europeans in the 14th century led to broader social change. The bubonic plague, or Black Plague. An influential Enlightenment thinker best known for his concept of natural rights and his writings on the social contract. John Locke. The central text of Judaism describes the origin of the Israelites and of the world. The Torah. 2684 verses, 2,684 verses that comprise the guiding principles of religious and legal duty in Hinduism. Laws of Manu. The empire that stretched across the Valley of Mexico in the 15th and early 16th centuries. The Aztec Empire. A series of wars fought between Carthage and Rome between 264 BCE and 164 BCE. The Punic Wars, or 146 BCE, 264 to 146 BCE. Forced labor and death camps where the Nazis imprisoned and killed Jews, Roma, Slavic people, homosexuals, disabled people, people of color, prisoners of war, communists, and others as part of the Holocaust. Concentration camps. The sixth king of Babylonia developed a code of law around 1754 BC that contains punishments based on the now well-known expression, an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. Code of Hammurabi. Oppressive social system in South Africa that separated people by race in public places led to structural inequalities and lowered standard of living for people of color, lasted for most of the 20th century. Apartheid. The 1941 act that allowed Great Britain and its allies to receive food, oil, and borrow ships and other war equipment. In exchange, the U.S. was leased army and naval bases in Allied territory. Lend-Lease Act. Christian raids of Islamic Spain, Al-Andalus, expulsion of Islamic powers from Iberia, and unification of Christian kingdoms in Spain into one Christian kingdom, Reconquista.